Carfax one-owner vehicle. This 2002 Acura MDX4 Dr. AWD SUV features a 3.5L V6 PFISOHC 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 5-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is red rock pearl with a saddle leather interior. It is covered by a limited warranty. Call now at 201-200-1100 or visit www.instateauto.com. You can see more photos of this vehicle, free Carfax reports and over 300 more cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. Auto financing is available on most vehicles, all credit accepted. We provide all the paperwork, bill of sale, titles, reassignments and temp tags. Buy right off the LOT. We open at 9 a.m. every day. Air conditioning, climate control, cruise control, tinted windows, power steering, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, leather steering wheel, leather shifter, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, heated seat, roof rack, rear air conditioning, wood trim, clock, tachometer, digital info center, tilt steering wheel radio controls, sunroof, moonroof, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, keyless entry, security system, ABS brakes, rear defogger, fog lights, intermittent wipers, AM/FM, cassette, CD player, wheels, leather interior surface, running boards, third seat, rear wipers, cup holders, heated mirrors, side curtain airbags, premium wheel